Hi everybody and welcome to another episode of Plumbing Yoga. Now for this one here today, I'm going to call this position Installing the RO. Now for this one, this is a type of position where you need to get underneath a kitchen sink. And for this one, there's variable stretches in this one. So let's go ahead and do this. So for this one, you want to go ahead and make sure that underneath the kitchen has plenty of room for you to get underneath the sink. Let's go ahead and get you positioned here. And actually, let's see. So, for this one, I also recommend that you get a reverse osmosis system. For this one, I'm using the Halo Ultra Plus. So, this one here, you want to go ahead and get yourself into a position here like this. I also recommend using some lighting. So let's get our flashlight out, shall we? Oh, there we go. That's much better. Okay, so for this one here, I already have an existing RO in here. So what we want to do is go ahead and turn off the water here to it. So let's go ahead and reach back here and do that. There we go, just like that. Okay. And now we need to kind of go ahead and get into a position here. So let's go ahead and flip over onto our backs. There we go. Great job, everybody. Now we want to get ourselves over here. Oops, drop the channel. Don't want to do that. So we want to find a position for the camera. Great job. Okay, perfect. Now, like always, don't forget to breathe. Now this one, you're going to have your legs up and actually in an elevated position, and then you want to slide your back underneath the counter. Now as you can see here, I've got the kitchen faucet hose right across my face. It's dragging on there. That's fun, isn't it? Okay, so we want to get back under here, and we're going to go ahead and we need to shut the tank off because that one's full of water. Now we can also shut off the line over here that goes to the ice maker. There we go. Now we're all valved off. Now what we want to go ahead and do is relieve the pressure. So for this one, we're going to have to go ahead and reach up. We can grab the edge of the counter and we slide back out. Now it's kind of doing a crab walk here. So, okay, so we want to get up here like this and go ahead and shut the water off. Make sure it's off the faucet. Okay, great job, everybody. Okay, so the water's off to the faucet. Okay, now we go ahead and get back underneath the counter here. And we want to go ahead and start disconnecting the lines. So let's go ahead and start with getting back into the same position that we just were. Kind of crab walk back under here. And we want to go ahead and disconnect this line here like this. Okay, oh, there we go. Get a little water out of that, but that's okay. And now, I'm gonna go ahead and crab walk back out. And let's go ahead and remove the tank, shall we? Let's flip over for this position. And now we're kind of down onto our knees, and we're kind of crunched down in here. Great job, everybody. You're all doing a great job. Okay, so let's pull this tank out of here. Oops. Well, that's what I get for moving the hose. Okay, so get this over here, and sometimes it's good if you flip it over onto its side like this. There you go. Now let's go ahead and reposition this back into a good spot. There, that's a little bit better. I've got hose in different area codes. Okay, let's get this tank up out of here. All right, now go ahead and set this down off to the side so that's not into our way. Now we go ahead and open the box here on our new Halo Ultra Plus. Okay. Sorry that you're missing the unboxing, but I'm not going to unbox onto the counter. Sorry, everybody. Okay. this is our spout. And this is all of our valves and other connections that we shall need. And the unit itself. Okay. It's kind of stuck in here. Okay, there we go. So, this is what the new system looks like here. If you can see that. I'm going to go ahead, I'll show you what it looks like there, and then I'm going to go ahead and move that out of the way so I can get the tank here. Let's set this off to the side, and then we'll go ahead and get our pressure tank. And let's go ahead and unbox this guy here. Cut that, cut that. This is my little go-to right here. This Milwaukee multi-tool. Got my box opener. It's got screwdriver, nut driver, bottle opener, and you can always punch somebody with it if you wanted to. I don't recommend that because we're about peace. Namaste. Okay. Now, let's get this tank out of here. We got our stand at the bottom here. Let me just go ahead and get our new valve. Okay. And our new valve right here. Locking pins, all that fun stuff. Okay. New tank. Go ahead and stick that down there. And I need to go ahead and get a little Teflon on here. Actually, it has an O-ring, so we're probably okay. But it's also a different line from our existing size. So this video is going to take a little bit longer than I thought it was going to. So anyway, there's variable poses in this position here of installing this, but multiple ones are underneath the actual kitchen sink. So for this one, I would recommend cleaning out everything and getting yourself as much room as possible for doing your crab walk position, and as well as doing the flip over kind of doggy style position. But anyway, I'm going to get to this. If you want more info, I can let you know in the link below. But don't forget to click like, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff. I hope everybody's having a great day. And like always, don't forget to breathe. Catch you next time.